There may be times when you see an enhanced ACCA over on Sky Bet or William Hill, or you get an odds boost from maybe Paddy Power, or you get an odds boost from anywhere, and you think to yourself, surely there's a way I can extract some profit from this, and you'd be 100% right. There is a way you can turn them enhanced odds into a guaranteed locked-in profit, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I am going to be using Odds Monkey for this, just for their match betting calculator. You can use any match betting calculator out there for this. It doesn't have to be Odds Monkey, but if you do want to sign up to Odds Monkey, there's a link down in the description, and it will help out the channel if you use that. But let's get into it. So to start with, if I just show you this video here, we're going with the Sky Bet Enhanced ACCA, the priced boost. So we've got here Man City, Brighton and Manchester United all to win at odds of 8.0. Now, I wanted to make this video a few months ago and show you guys how you can do this, how you can sequentially lay an accumulator over on Betfair and everything like that, but it can be a bit too overcomplicated for the amount you win in return. Which is where Smarkets comes in. Now, Smarkets is obviously a betting exchange just like Betfair, but they have a new function now where you can lay accumulators a lot easier, trust me. So I'm going to show you that in just a second. So first of all, like we do for all match betting, we had odds of 8.0, but the max we could bet was £10 for this. So we put in our £10 over on the calculator, and then we put in our back odds of 8.0. We then wanted to get our lay odds, and this is how you get your lay odds for an accumulator. So you're going to come over to Smarkets, go to the football section, and you're just going to select all the 3 teams you have in your accumulator, but you're going to select for them to win their games. So for example, we were selecting for Manchester United to win, Manchester City to win, and Brighton to win. Then over here on the right hand side, you can see the multiple selection. That will automatically be set to buy because we just selected to buy all of them. You're then just going to switch that to sell. I don't know why you have to do it that way, but according to Odds Monkey, that's the way you've got to do it. So we did that selection there, and you can see down here it tells you your price. So the price is 6.0. So we're backing the accumulator at odds of 8.0, and we're laying the accumulator at odds of 6. That is going to give us an instant guaranteed profit of £3.33. Obviously, this will be a lot better if you could scale the value up, if you could maybe use £100 and get £33 instead. But obviously, Sky Bet know that, and that's why they're putting on a cap at the price. So it tells us here exactly how much we need to lay, £13.33. So that's exactly what I went and did after I added some more value to my account. And then we got it all laid. It's as simple as that. Done and dusted. Wait for the games to finish. Nice, £3.33. Really simple. I then went and did the exact same for the accumulator over on William Hill. Obviously, I got that saved into my account on Odds Monkey, so I could see how much profit we'd made and keep track of it. But you can see the William Hill offer there. Man City to win, Man United to win, and this time it was Aston Villa to win. It was boosted to odds of 7.0, up to £10. And then we went over to Smarkets and did the exact same thing. Selected the 3 teams to win, switched it to the sell section, and then got our odds of 6.6. So unfortunately for this one, odds of 7 to 6.6, it's not as big of a gap, so you're not going to make as much profit. And annoyingly here, I have just noticed that I forgot to put in my lay commission of 2%, so my profit for these 2 will have been a little bit worse than what they should have been. Luckily, they're not too big of stakes and liabilities and things, so we might get let off with that one, but that's a bit infuriating that I've only just noticed that. Hopefully I pick up on this and that here at some point. Let's just check. And I didn't, unfortunately. So remember to put in your lay commission there so that you can actually get the right amount to lay. So I think I still will have came in profitable there, but it will have eaten into the profit quite a bit. So you can see the actual profit we're going to be getting from this one is only 58p less once we take the commission out there as well. So it is going to be a bit of a pain and a bit annoying, but it's still a decent little return. So for them 2 there, we were getting £3.66, I believe, and then the 50 something pence. So that takes us just to about £4, let's say. So that's a £4 return, and these tend to happen every maybe twice a week, I'd say, on both sites. So that's £8 a week. It's not a lot of money by any stretch, but £8 a week every week of the year is going to get you a nice £416. It's not a huge return in the slightest, but it is still an extra nearly £500 a year that you could put into another source. Now, the next, a little bit less complicated side of this is the Paddy Powers odds boost. And the odds boost is very simple to work out. The way you can do this is by using the odds matcher over on Odds Monkey or whatever match betting site you use. And you're just going to put in, obviously, the platform, which is Paddy Power, and then your exchange. I prefer to use Betfair. And then you're just going to search for the one that has the highest odds. Or the highest percentage, I should say. The one that has the highest match rating is going to be the one that has the closest odds. That is what you're looking for. Because the one that has the closest odds means when you go back over to Paddy Power and boost them odds, you're going to get further away from them in the other direction and get some guaranteed profit. So you can see here, for example, over on Paddy Power for backing this comfort zone horse with the odds boost, it goes up to odds of 4.0, which is what we then put in at this section here on our odds matcher. The Betfair odds were 3.7, meaning we get a guaranteed profit of £3.26. That is because with Paddy Power, when you use your boost, you can up your stake to £50. It seems like a lot of money, but don't ever worry about it because when it's match betting, it's guaranteed. So if we didn't want to do it with Comfort Zone, there is other options. So for example, you can see here there was also Barcelona, Dinamo Kiev, both teams not to score. You can see once we boosted it up, £2.23. So fairly nice little return there for both of them. You're going to get that every week as long as you do some bets on Paddy Power. Now the thing I think is very key here, I know this has been a fairly short video, but it is quite simple to extract profit from these odds boosts. If you get like a 20% odd boost or a 30% odd boost, just do the same thing here by coming over to the odds matcher, putting in whichever bookie you're using and exchange, and do the exact same thing. Just open it up by selecting this icon here and then add in your new odds after the boost. It is really that simple. But I think using these, there is a key strategy you can use. If you use Paddy Power and put on 5 £10 bets a week, you're going to get a free £10 bet and an odds boost. I think you can pair this strategy up with the strategy I used the other week of the No Lay Acca with Paddy Power, where you get free bets if only one stake lets you down. I think what you should do, this is just a suggestion, it's something I'm going to try out myself, but use the No Lay calculator. If you don't know what that is, go back on the channel and watch that from a few weeks ago. But there's the No Lay Acca for Paddy Power. If you use that selection every day, Monday to Friday, you're going to get fairly decent odds of getting some profit in from your accumulators. If not, you might lose some money. But then at the end of the week, you have your free £10 guaranteed from Paddy Power. You also have potential other free £10 bets from Paddy Power for missed out accumulators. So you're at least going to be getting £7.50 minimum back from Paddy Power there from placing the 5 £10 bets. You're also then going to get your odds boost or your price boost there. That's going to get you about £3 to £4 back as well. So you're going to be making a guaranteed £12 a week. So it at least means one of your accumulators is paid for. It's not a way to make profit, obviously, because your accumulators are not too likely to actually come in. But it's a nice way to make betting a little bit more affordable, if that's what you wanted to do. Of course, if you really wanted to be strict about it, you can use the No Lay Acca, and you can also lay the Acca every time. I think there is probably a better way of doing this. If you maybe use the Acca Finder or something like that, it's going to be a bit easier to lay the accumulators, but you could lay the accumulator every day with Paddy Power for the 5 days. You could, in fact, scratch that. If you wanted to just use this to get that free £10, then the easiest option is to just do a normal standard odds matcher. So for example, go over to the odds matcher, put in Paddy Power and Betfair as your desired exchange and bookmaker, like so, and then you're just going to back the best odds over here. So for example, let's say we want to go into that with £10, you can see we're going to lose 3 pence. Do that every day of the week, Monday to Friday, you're going to lose 15 pence, and then you're going to get a free £10 bet and a free odds boost. You're going to be looking at around about £15 a week. Add that on to the £4 or £5 you're going to be getting from your Sky Bet boosted ACCA and your William Hill ACCA. You're going to be looking at £20, £25 a week. £25 a week may not sound like a lot, but yet again, it is risk-free money with all these strategies. £25 a week, times that by for the 52 weeks of the year, it's a nice £1,300. Get that put into a savings account, get that traded, get that put into So Rare, maybe, and it's going to be a nice little bit of income. That is what I'd recommend you do when it comes to your boosted odds and your enhanced stackers from all them places. Try and combine them all. Join up with the weekly bet clubs, everything like that. Get some guaranteed profit in that is risk free. No harm done. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a fairly simple one, even though I might have rambled, but if you've been around here a while, you know I do like my rambles. But if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button. It's a nice bit of guaranteed profit you can do from your betting. Got any recommendations for other things for me to try out when it comes to either match betting, accumulators, football trading, Betfair trading on any sport, anything like that? You know where to let me know. It's down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to check it out over the next few weeks. But thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.